and welcome to Ezee. Today I'm going to show you a brand new item from the Ezee Celestial range, and it's a finishing trim for the Celestial fires. So what we have here is a Celestial 72-inch, and as you can see it's installed with the one-sided glass front. As standard, all Celestials come with the option of 1, 2 or 3 glass sides, but this is perfect for what we're doing today because the trim only works with the one glass sided install. So this is available with every Celestial model. There's 4 to choose from. If you've already got a Celestial in your home, this is super easy to add on, and you don't have to, start taking apart your media wall or anything like that. It's really simple. All you need to do it is a star-headed screwdriver like this one, and a torch, or I'm using my phone today, just with the flashlight on the back, and it's just so I can see where the screws are going into. And the trim comes with these longer screws. What's in the fire currently will be really short ones, so we need to remove them and then put in these long ones. All you really need to do is, if you look under here, this is where your torch comes in handy. So under here we've got 3 screws, and we're going to take out the middle one, so it's this one. So they're really short screws, you can see the size difference between the ones that we're going to attach the trim with. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line up the trim like this. So you just need to make sure you're holding the trim kind of in place before you get one of the screws on, just so that it stays. So just like that, and then you've got your screw, and again, torch comes in super handy for this bit. So I'm just going to set that there, and just tighten it like that. And that's that one secure, so let's move on to the other side. That's us sorted, so I'll just step back and turn the fire back on. And you can see the difference immediately that the trim is made to the fire. It looks really well. If you have any questions at all, or you want to find out more about the Ezee range, you can go to ezeeglow.com, and you can also find out where your local stockist is on there as well. Thanks very much for joining today's video.